Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of digital art or just looking to explore new tools without breaking the bank, you're in the right spot. Today we're diving into the top 5 free drawing apps for Windows that are perfect for both beginners and seasoned artists. So grab your digital pen and let's get started. First up is Krita, a professional grade open source painting program made by artists for artists. Krita is renowned for its user friendly interface and a vast array of brushes and textures right out of the box. Let's dive in and see what makes Krita a top pick. The brush engine in Krita is highly customizable, allowing you to create the perfect brush for any project. Plus, the resource manager lets you import brush and texture packs from other artists to expand your toolbox even further. Next on our list is Autodesk Sketchbook. This app offers a clean, minimalist interface that hides away when you don't need it, giving you more room to create. It's known for its precision and speed, especially when it comes to sketching ideas quickly. One of the standout features is the predictive stroke, which smooths out lines and corrects shapes, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. And it supports layer management, offering a flexible workflow for complex projects. Coming in at number 3 is Medibang Paint Pro. This app is a lightweight digital painting and comic creation tool that comes packed with brushes, fonts, pre-made backgrounds and other resources. What sets Medibang apart is its cloud-saving feature, allowing you to transfer your work across devices seamlessly. It's a fantastic choice for comic book artists and illustrators looking for a versatile tool that's also free. Fourth on our list is Fire Alpaca. It's a simple yet powerful drawing app that's perfect for beginners. Despite its simplicity, it packs a punch with fully customizable brushes, a user friendly interface, and compatibility with both Mac and Windows. One of the coolest features is its light table function, making it easier to create animations or manga. Plus, its low system requirements mean it runs smoothly on older machines too. Last but not least, we have Paint.net. Originally intended as a free replacement for Microsoft Paint, Paint.net has grown into a powerful yet simple tool for image editing and basic drawing. With support for layers, unlimited undo, and a wide range of effects, Paint.net is an excellent choice for those looking to do some photo editing alongside the drawing. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 3 drawing apps for Windows that are sure to cater to all your digital art needs, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist. Each of these tools offers something you need to enhance your creative workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital art tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below to let us know which app you're excited to try out or if there's another one you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.